Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix touchscreen not responding on ULEFONE Armor X12. So first, remove the screen protector or case on your phone. I don't have any of them. Next, take a microfiber and clean your screen. Just wipe it from any dust. Next thing is to force restart on your phone. So click and hold the power on button till it powers off. Now the phone is restarted. As you can see, it works perfectly fine. But if it's still not working for you, then you probably need to go into like the brand service center and they will help you. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.